As the first in the morning, I usually come out to the garden to check it out, especially look at my grapes to see how lovely they are day after day. Turned out this morning, I just figured that all my grapes are gone. Only vines are left. This is totally ruining my day. Who is eating my grapes? So last year I learned a good lesson that if you don't protect your grapes, and they will disappear as soon as they are ready for pickup. This is exactly what's happening again this year. For those who are not being protected by the bags, oh God, they just went away overnight. If you look at the ground, it is covered by grapes. What a waste, my lovely neighbors. You probably can hear the pop sound if I walk over them. So please help preserve nature, my lovely neighbors. I would never consider the cutest squirrel to be one of them until I spotted it on the vine. So I decided to set up a surveillance camera to find out who are actually eating my grapes. And it turned out I have a quite rich diversity of grape eaters in my backyard. Here, only 2 types of bird left their footage. I actually saw many more, including mourning dove, sparrow, crow, and you name it. Of course, rats will never miss this wonderful opportunity to show off their talents. As you can see from video, the greedy eaters were so active at night, or more precisely, from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. They restlessly came back to pick up one after another. No wonder my grape disappeared so quickly. But to be honest, I found the rats quite cute in the wild. Now I learned what had happened. I decided to wrap up my grapes with those bags. I believed this would be the greatest but easiest solution to protect against those thieves. So I turned off my camera after observing the bags apparently frustrating the rats for several days. However, it didn't take the genius animal long before they proved I'm wrong. Bang! My grapes disappeared from inside the bag, just like they evaporated. This is magic. I decided to set up my camera again, and obviously, they learned quicker than I could learn from them. They discovered an entry into the bag from top, and little by little, they managed to enlarge the entry big enough themselves to get through. A good example of how the animals can get in and eat everything inside, because there's a hole on the top. Before it's discovered by my lovely neighbors, I think I should see the top using the little clamp. That's what I did. I used the clamp to pinch it together, so at least to make the hole invisible. Same method here. And if you can see there, also there's another one over here. I should do that. Did this solve my problem? Unfortunately, no. This is incredible. Someone, I think probably a rat, broke a hole on my back and made a way into the bag to successfully eat everything inside. This is amazing. Well, I don't think I can do anything to prevent things from happening like this. And that's not even the worst. Someone just even bit off the whole grape crop and dropped the whole bag on the ground.
What a waste.
Well, in spite of my somewhat failed attempts to protect some of my grapes, I still managed to harvest the rest of them. The survivals looked really gorgeous after they are fully ripe. I think that's rewarding enough for me for all the work, though not always successful, but effective. Lessons learned this year will hopefully help yield more harvest next year. Thank you for watching. Come back next year and hopefully I will have more discoveries and solutions. Bye bye.